Hi there, welcome back to Masterandlearnit. In this video, we are learning how to multiply 2 digits by 1 digit. And we have to use two methods, so you're going to choose which is the best method for you or what your teacher asks you to do. Right here, we have these two methods, a vertical method and a breakup method. So I'm going to do each method separately. So let's get right in. So with the vertical method, you write your 36 times your 4. And remember, when you multiply, the 4 has to start multiplying from the right going to the left. So don't say 4 times 3, but you start by saying 4 times 6. Let's just do that. So 4 times 6, we know is 24. I use this 4. Always take from the right going to the left. So don't take the 2, take the 4. I use the 4 and leave this 2. Now let's multiply again. 4 times 3, we know it's 12. And ask yourself, did you leave something up there? Yes, you left the 2. We plus it. So cancel it, then you plus your 2. And 12 plus 2 is 14. And what do we use again? We start from the right. So use the 4 and leave the 1. Now, what else does your 4 has to multiply? There's nothing because I've multiplied the 6, I've multiplied the 3. There's nothing to multiply. Did I leave something? Yes, you take that and you use it, and your final answer is 144. So that's how simple it is to use the vertical method. How about using the breakup method? So using a breakup method, we have to break up the bigger number. So in this case, I'm going to break up 36 to become 30 plus 6. That's what makes up 36, isn't it? 30 plus 6. Then we times by 4. What that means is you have to multiply everything by 4. So that means the 30 is multiplied by 4 as well as the 6. So let's do that. How do I multiply 30 times 4? So we just work from the right going to the left as normal. So that's 4 times the 0 here, I get a 0. 4 times 3, that's 12. So actually it's 120. Plus 4 times 6 is 12. It's 24 rather. Then now we can plus the sum together, and I'm sure you know that 120 plus 24, we can add it vertically now. And our final answer being 0 plus 4, that's 4, 2 plus 2, that's 4, then you bring down your 1. So this is how you multiply a 2 digit by 1 digit, either using the vertical method or you can be using the breakup method. Whichever way that is easy for you, keep using that or what your teacher asks you to do, okay? If you find this video to be really cool, please give it a big thumbs, send to your friends, and always subscribe to Masterandlearnit, where we make learning easy and fun. See you in the next video.